Nuku Hiva Ua Pou, Taiohae and Hakahau. Welcome to the last day on shore in the Marquesas Islands, revisiting two of the busiest ports, Taiohae and Hakahau. It's the final laundry day of the cruise. Bags are lined up outside each room, ready for collection. A shuttle bus runs every 20 minutes between the pier and the iconic Catholic church in Taiohae. But the driver seems a bit confused about the stops. Back on the ship, trucks full of fresh produce are already loaded. The ship looks ready to set sail. Before lunch, guest lecturer Tahiari Pariente enlightens us about the human settlement of Polynesia. He paints a vivid picture of the early settlers and their incredible navigation skills. Post-lunch, the ship cruises to Ua Pou. Everyone's eager to spend a few last hours on shore before a day at sea. In the village, everyone gathers around the local library for free internet. It's slow due to the crowd, but eventually speeds up as people leave. This internet access provides a great opportunity to catch up with loved ones back home. It's a welcome break after 10 days away. Once back on board, there's a simple meeting outlining the day at sea. Dinner is as enjoyable and delicious as ever. Traveling from Tahiti to Bora Bora? You have three main options: flying, taking a boat, or a combination of both. Bora Bora offers several accommodation options, from luxury hotels and resorts to guest houses and vacation rentals. Choose what suits you best. As the day ends, it's time to enjoy a quiet evening, reminiscing about the adventures of the day. Book with a French Polynesia specialist at Far and Away Adventures.